Next examples, type 2 examples. So it's on different examples. So Laplace of in previous class function power ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು 1 ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ function power ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದಾವೆ. So some functions are trigonometric functions, some functions are exponential functions. How to solve these examples, right? So in brief, first one, Laplace of t into sin square t. So it means that equal to Laplace of t raised to n into f of t. You could write like this, right? It is an example of Laplace transform derivative. We know the formula for Laplace transform of derivative t raised to n into f of t. So that equal to minus 1 raised to n into d raised to n divided by ds raised to n into function f of s. F of s in the sense Laplace of f of t, right? So n is equal to test ಆಯ್ತು comparing this n is equal to 1 ಆಯ್ತು and f of t is equal to test ಆಯ್ತು f of t is equal to sin square t ಆಯ್ತು, right? Substitute in this form. So in this equation, call this equation 1. So ಇದರ substitute ಮಾಡಿ Laplace of t into power 1 ಆಯ್ತು f of t is sin square t, yes, right? Minus 1 into minus 1, so into d by ds into Laplace of so sin square t. So but Laplace of sin square t, there is no formula, should reduce linear form. Already you have to solve Laplace of sin square t. ಇದು Laplace transform 1 ದಾಗ ಇದು Laplace of sin square t ಕಲಿಸಿ ನಾನು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಬಿಡಿಸಿನಿ, ಆದರೂ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ನೀವು ಮರ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ. So that equal to Laplace of sin square of t. So by using the formula, sin square x formula is 1 minus of cos of 2x divided by 2. So cos square x is between plus to the cos a into sin b, sin a into cos b. So next sin a into sin b formula, cos into cos formula. So ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ 1 ದಾಗಿಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಮರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಅವನ್ನ, ರೈಟ್? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. So Laplace of sin square t, it is a Laplace of 1 minus of cos of 2t divided by 2. So to direct as 1 by 2 is taking common. So Laplace of 1 is 1 by s. So Laplace of cos of 2t is s divided by s square plus 4, because of hyperbolic plus bರ್ತೈತಿ. So this is the result. So substitute it d by ds into Laplace of, so already bidishi nanu 1 by 2 is, take it outside, 1 by 2 minus, so 1 by s minus of s divided by s square plus 4, isn't it? Minus, right? Simplify thoroughly, we get, so that equal to minus 1 by 2 differentiation 1 by x minus 1 by x square minus 1 by s square minus bracket complete. So u divided by v form differentiation. So s square plus 4 as it is, differentiation u is 1 agutte, minus of s as it is into 2s divided by v square s square plus 4 whole square, right? So next simplify, that is put minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by s square minus of, so simplify this, so 4 minus of s square divided by s square plus 4 whole square. So right, that equal to minus multiply madri, so minus 1 by 2, so minus 1 by s square, so minus 4 divided by s square plus 4 whole square, minus is plus s square divided by s square plus 4 whole square, right? So cross multiply, simplify, we get that is the answer, right? So similarly, second example you must solve only. Next comes to the third one. Third example, so solution, Laplace of t raised to 3 into a raised to minus of 2t, right? So that equal to Laplace of t raised to n into f of t, isn't it? So n is equal to 1 ಆಯ್ತು, sorry, n is equal to 3, f of t is e raised to minus of 2t. So we know the formula Laplace of t raised to n into f of t minus 1 raised to n into d raised to n divided by ds raised to n into Laplace of f of t. So that equal to put n is equal to 3 t cube, f of t is e raised to minus of 2t. So minus 1 whole cube. So minus 1 whole cube is again minus d cube divided by ds cube. So Laplace of e raised to minus of 2t. So that equal to minus d cube divided by ds cube. Laplace of e raised to at. Laplace of e raised to at formula. E raised to at. So that equal to 1 divided by s minus of e. But e value is the minus 2. The minus it is plus 1 divided by s plus 4. Right? So now differentiate 3 times. 1 by x differentiation like this. So differentiation of 1 by x is, so that equal to minus, keep as it is. First time differentiate, differentiation of the first time differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, d square ಬರ್ತದೆ. So minus 1 divided by s plus 4 whole square. Now again differentiate 1 divided by x square differentiation. Minus 1 minus 2 divided by s plus 4 whole cube. Next again differentiate this one, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 ಬರ್ತದೆ. So that equal to minus of minus 1 as it is, minus 2 as it is. Differentiation of 1 by x cube value, minus 3 divided by s plus 4 whole raised to 4. Right? So it is plus 6 divided by s plus 4 whole raised to 4. This completed the examples. Right? Similarly, fourth one. Laplace of t into cos t into sin of t. So that equal to Laplace of t raised to n into f of t. So n is equal to 1 equal f of t is equal to cos t into sin t. So applying the formula into direct destiny, Laplace of t raised to n is value 1, f of t is cos t into sin t, right? That equal to minus 1 raised to n means minus 1, so it is minus d raised to n is d by ds into Laplace of f of t is cos t into sin t value. So again chapter 1, Laplace transform 1. Use Laplace of cos a into sin b formula illa, product formula illa, Laplace. So apply the formula cos a into sin b formula. So 1 by 2 into sin of a plus b minus of sin of a minus b. Should apply this d by ds into 1 by 2 as it is. So sin of t plus t, it is 2t minus sin of t minus t, it is 0. Sin 0 is 0. So only sin of 2t bantu. So minus 1 by 2 as it is. Differentiation of sin 2t. Differentiation of sin 2t. So it is 2 cos of 2t. So 2 get cancelled. So only answer is minus of cos of 2t. Isn't it? Then simplify madri 1 by 2. So sin of a plus b means t plus t is 2t minus of t minus t sin 0. So yes, it is right. Sin of 2t 1 by 2 is take it outside. Differentiation of sin is cos. So differentiation madre coefficient 2 multiply with 2 get cancelled. That equal to minus of 2t. Similarly, you have to solve remaining examples. Thank you.